So this USDCAD analysis for Thursday, 7th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices break above the 130 level. We headed just above the 130.50, traded slightly above the 130.60s. What we did see was prices progress down back, retraced all the way back down below the 130. We weren't able to close above the 130 from a daily chart perspective. What we did see was prices continue down here beyond the 129.44. We weren't able to hold the 129.44. We had price progression down towards the 129 with daily confluence, the 400 period moving average, and we did trade below that level also. We traded all the way down towards this 128.60. We didn't quite get down towards the 128.39. From the 128.60, we have seen the buy side momentum take us back above the 129. Also back above the 129.44, and we do appear to be holding support at this 129.44. So if we do see this price progression here to the upside from this 129.44, we're looking for it to see a test of the 130 level to see whether we do get another rejection at that level, or whether we can break and retest our most recent high in the market in around that 30.60. And after which we'll look to see if we do hold this 130.60 from a daily chart perspective, we were then looking for prices potentially to head towards that 131 here on the US dollar against the CAD. If, however, we do break down from this 129.44, we'll be looking to see if we do find support in around that 129 level. Previously found support in around 129, along with the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. Failing that, we were then looking for a move down towards that 128.39, while bearing in mind we did find one support at the 128.60 previously. We'll look to targets the 128.39, a well-established level of support here on the US dollar against the CAD. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the US dollar against the CAD. So from a daily chart perspective, what we can see here, even though the price action does appear a bit choppy, we do see it is a continued progression here to the upside. So we do have our well, let's work from here. So we do have our lows. We've had prices test the 130. We've had a pullback consolidation in around that 127.56. Broke out to the upside, broke above the 130 level, had a rejection, came back down, retested the 128.39, broke back above at the 130, and again we did see a sell-off from above that 130. So there does appear to be quite a bit of sell-side momentum hanging around this 130 level, but we are not seeing the sell-side momentum continuation progress to the downside, breaking beyond, say, the 127.56, breaking down towards that 127, 126.70, or possibly down towards that 126.22. We've not seen a price progression to the downside. If we were to just draw a crude rough trend line here, we could see the price progression still remains to the upside, even though this could be somewhat of a bear flag and see price progression breakdown. But we do still, for now, we do still see prices progression to the upside, even though the progress has been somewhat slow due to these sell side rejections. So if we do see momentum follow through, we'll look to see if we can hold, we did mention this previously, above the 130 from a daily chart perspective, after which we'll be looking to target the 131. Price progression beyond 131 should potentially take us up towards that 131.88 here on the US dollar against the CAD. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.